Hello, Mr. Masood. Just a minute. Let me share PPT with you. What do you see on a screen?
Obstacle to learn language. Obstacle.
Yes, obstacles to learn English language. Okay. So many people they wanted to speak in English. They wanted to learn it. But the thing, there are few things which suppresses their knowledge. In that, the first one is fear. Okay. So what kind of fears? It's like, see, if I speak, they might comment me. If I speak, they might laugh at me. If I speak, they might belittle me. Such fears might be there. Okay. And the second one is the lack of awareness. They don't know how to start and where to start. Okay. So that is a lack of awareness. And third one, fear of grammar. Okay, they are afraid to speak in English because of a grammar. Okay, they feel that it is very difficult to learn the English grammar. And next, fourth one, MTI, mother tongue influence. Okay, so while speaking in English, you should remember that the structure of sentences are completely different. Okay, but you feel that you just translate the word to word, translate word to word from your native language to English, and you try to speak, and also the pronunciation. It's not like our mother tongue. English pronunciation is entirely different. So that is MJ, mother tongue influence. And fifth one, lack of practice. Even though if we discuss all the things, if you don't practice, there is no use of a course. So after completion of the course, also you should spend a few minutes and practice, and need to submit your homeworks. And yeah, tell me, Masood, how did you learn your native language?
Native language.
What is your native language? Mother tongue.
Uh, Bengali and English, Hindi also.
Yeah. You just describe how you learn.
How? From childhood, many from nature.
Hmm. Okay. So from the childhood, as you said, is correct. Okay. From the childhood, your parents, your grandparents starts talking with you. Okay. And they interacted a lot. Okay. So due to that, what happens automatically you are able to listen to them, and you can respond and you can learn the language. So like that you have learned the language. So by listening you have learned. So if you want to learn a new language, what you have to do is you need to start listening to that particular language. There are a lot of listening skills related activities in our course. And this one, should we learn English grammar to speak in English? Okay. You just uh, give me your opinion. What do you feel? Is it
Yes, sir.
important to learn English grammar? Okay, that's good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so many people they says that it is not necessary to speak in English. Okay, as we are talking in our tongue, as we haven't learned, it is correct about mother tongue. See, for mother tongue it is not necessary. It is like copycat. You heard a lot of years. Took a lot of maybe at the age of 3 years you have learned speaking your mother tongue. It took a lot of days, a lot of months. Okay, but if you want to learn a new language in a very quick manner, you should learn the basics of grammar. Okay, so the basics of grammar will help you to frame a sentence, will help you to frame the questions. And finally, this is the important tip which I'm going to share with you is think in English. Okay, so that think in English, what you have to do is you need to make a poster and write it and think in English and paste it somewhere. It remembers. See, because our brain got programmed to think in our mother tongue. But if you want to learn a language, you have to reprogram that. You should start thinking in English. Here, nobody is going to comment you. It enhances your spoken and it enhances your listening, speaking, everything. So this is what I thought to share with you, and please let me know if you have any doubts related to this. And there will be a vocabulary activities, there will be a listening activities, there will be a basic grammar classes, and also I'll support through WhatsApp. I'll support through WhatsApp. Okay, I'll send you a material which is required to learn the course. Okay, so like that, I'll be in touch with you how to record your voice, and I'll assess the voice like that. Yeah, please let me know if you have any doubt.
No, sir.
Okay, within 2 days, I'll see you in a class. Bye.